What's up, everybody? So it's been a hot little minute since the last time that we've made a video, but as you know, I was working this big 3-month long job, and I finally got some time off. As you can see, we're at a new location. Me and Sadie finally bought our house. I got the 10th gen over here. I got the EK covered up right there. Probably gonna move it onto the carport. But yeah, so basically today is going to be the first part of this video, and we'll pick back up later in the week. But I wanted to show y'all, I just went and got my tires mounted on my new wheels, so I guess we'll do the wheel reveal. So I'll go ahead and spare you the trouble of a big elaborate reveal and just go ahead and show you and explain what they are. So these are the Leon Harderit Lances, L-A-N-Z-E, and I have them wrapped in a 235/35 R19. So these R19s, been super busy getting everything done with this house and getting everything straightened up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the 10th gen, get it ready for Friday, and I'll pick back up then. All right, we're back. Already got started. I finished one side of the car, installing the coils and the camber arms. Everything's a little dirty, but I got this side fully bolted up. I'm about to start on the other side. Fairly easy with the exception of the camber arms, but it's just a lot of stuff that's not like these older cars, but we're getting it. Sorry I didn't update. I'm kind of doing it by myself, but we're getting there. So I'll just put y'all filming and we'll figure it out. All right, so we're back a couple hours later. Sorry, I've been pretty horrible about filming anything. We have the new wheels on. We have the front fitment dialed in. The back, we had to add a little bit more camber because I'm rubbing. We're gonna either rub the fender or add more camber, but I'll show you what we have right now. Obviously the car is not down, so don't judge it too hard. Looking pretty good though. Again, we just need to add a little more camber in the rear or roll the fender, so we're trying to figure that out right now.
Holding a little bit, huh? Oh, it's going great right now. I'm just trying not to look too much at once, like you see.
Yeah. All right, so it's next day. Obviously I didn't film too much. I'm sorry, I was really bad. I was trying to do most of the suspension work by myself and had a little bit of help here and there. But once we got everything on, as y'all saw, we adjusted the camber, we rolled a little bit, and we went ahead and stiffened all the dampening up all the way front and back. And I'm not having any more issues rubbing. Obviously it rides a little bit harder than it did on the springs, but this is the final fitment. So it looks pretty damn good if you ask me. It's not stupid low, probably about the same height that it was previously. Suspension height front and back is about the same, and then we have my sheet for the alignment. And as you can see, in case you were wondering, front we're running about negative 2.4, 2.3, and in the rear we're running about negative 3.5, negative 3.7 as far as camber. And that's because I went with the 235/35 being a little bit meatier. Probably could have got away with a 225/35, sorry, but I was worried that it was gonna rub. I was worried that it wasn't going to be enough tire. So I'm pretty happy with the setup altogether. Again, I'm sorry I didn't film more. I don't know if some of y'all wanted to see me actually installing it, but there's plenty of videos on YouTube showing you how to do it. I promise you it's not as simple as you think. The camber arms probably gave me the most trouble out of everything, but as far as adjustability of the BC coils that I went with, it's fairly straightforward. Again, these wheels are 19 by 9 plus 24, and they're wrapped in 235/35 in case anyone was wondering. I'm not a spec hog. I don't really care about stuff like that, but hey, I'm glad to be back. Ready to keep filming some more stuff. Again, sorry I didn't film more, but I've had a lot going on lately. So anyway, if you're happy with it, thank you. I appreciate the almost hitting 900 on YouTube, and I will see y'all again in the next one. I'm sure I'll have something coming up soon. So thank you again.